Hi everyone! Today, we are focusing on thin braids formed by gentle, delicate interlaced stitches. The scheme consists of 3 loops and 2 rows. The first row is on the right side. After the edge stitch, knit the next 3 loops through the front in the following order: the first, the third, and the second. Again, knit the next 3 loops, the first, the third, and the second. Keep knitting after this scheme until the end of the row. The second row is on the wrong side. After the edge stitch, purl the next 3 loops in the following order: the first, the third, and the second. Again, purl the next 3 loops, the first, the third, and the second. Keep knitting after this scheme until the end of the row. So, by knitting almost the same way on both sides of the knitting, we get an attractive, harmonious, and lovely vertical path. They are appropriate for both clothing and accessories and will give a luxurious look to any garment knitted with them. Give it a try and see how easy it can be. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click the icon of my shop, Knit Not Space, or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this. I will be glad to see you soon.